Hello, welcome back for lesson number 63. I put a title called Finishing. Today we will start the finishing process on this part. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous operation, the last rough out of this part. We will continue by using a duplicate method on the previous operations. Manage. We will load a new tool, 12mm flat end mill. Click OK. Change the name to final. This is a final tool. Tool number 5. Click OK. We will use this tool. Right mouse click, edit. We need to remove all the balance of the thickness so that we can do a finishing cut. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame. You can see Z minus 15, which is the final depth. Click OK. OK again. Let's go into solid verify. Looks good on analysis visual. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to accomplish the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, right mouse click, duplicate. We have to manage the tool, load tool shape, mill, 12mm, flat end mill, OK, final, tool number 5, click OK, yes, right mouse click, edit, tolerance, this one, to change the color to this, and we calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame. G54. Drag the tool. Z minus 15, which is correct. OK. OK again. Let's go into solid verify. Slow down. Replay. Option. Analysis visual. We zoom in. Take a look. Yes, we cut to size already. Yep. Close. Close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue the finishing process on the next lesson. Bye bye.